Good day. Welcome at Architectural Supplements and Nature's Green. I'm going to show you the latest product of our BioMontage collection called BioMontage Live. These products are available in gloss white, gloss black and gloss anthracite. Every installation starts with the back panel. Simply attach it with 4 holes. And choose the right fastener for your wall. Now the beauty of BioMontage is it has 3 separate water reservoirs of 2 liters each. In general you only need to water those once every 4 weeks. Every reservoir has a bobber which shows you the water level. Let's see how we're going to install these reservoirs. They snap. Now I'm going to show you how to water the reservoirs. Easy. To finish, we have a front cover that snaps like this. Now we're going to install it with plants. It's directly planted, either with 4-inch pots or with 10 centimeter pots as the maximum size. We use wicks, so every plant has a wick. The wicks are in the box, so they're in it. This is it, so you can see how easy it is to make your own design. You could have one plant, you could even put flowers in it, and the beauty also is you can combine it with all other BioMontage products. In every box, as I already told you, there are 12 plant wicks in it, including an installation manual that will clarify a lot. If any questions or any inquiries, call us at ASI or at Nature's Green. Thank you so much.